Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add tags to a YouTube video. Let's get started. First, go to YouTube Studio on your computer and sign in to your account. Next, click on the Content tab on the left side of the dashboard. Now, select the video where you want to add tags. Once the video detail page opens, scroll down until you see a Show More and click on it. And after that, find the tag section, and here you can type keywords related to your video. Make sure to add tags that describe your content so people can see and easily find your video in the search result. And when you're done adding tags, click Save at the top right corner. And that's it. Your tags are now added to your video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.